Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda Rebel 300. This lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 616 miles on the odometer. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, perfect condition. It's got the matte black finish, and this one's equipped with the rear passenger seat and foot pegs, so you can take a passenger with you. Come on by, make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous Rebel 300. Only $49.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.